Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard cake in an air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients including eggs, milk, sugar, and a touch of flour. Next, prepare a small, oven-safe dish by greasing it thoroughly to prevent sticking. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking. This preparation sets the stage for a delicious dessert. Now let's create the creamy custard base. In a bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light and frothy. Slowly incorporate 1 cup of warm milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing gently. For an extra smooth custard, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step ensures a silky texture. With your custard mixture ready, it's time to air fry. Carefully pour the prepared custard into your greased, oven-safe dish. Gently place the dish into the preheated air fryer basket, ensuring it sits flat. Cook the custard cake for 20 to 25 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the center is just set and slightly wobbly. Avoid overcooking for the best consistency. Once baked, your custard cake needs to cool properly. Remove the dish from the air fryer and let it cool completely at room temperature. For the best flavor and texture, chill the cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Before serving, you can garnish it with fresh berries, a light dusting of cinnamon, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.